Understanding magnesium's role in fitness.
Magnesium is an essential mineral that plays a vital role in overall fitness and exercise performance. It supports more than 300 biochemical reactions in the body, many of which are linked to muscle movement and energy production. For people who exercise regularly, getting enough magnesium can be key to optimizing workouts and ensuring the body functions at its best.
Magnesium and muscle contraction.
During exercise, magnesium helps muscles contract and relax efficiently. It works by balancing calcium levels in muscle cells. While calcium triggers muscle contraction, magnesium allows those muscles to relax. Without enough magnesium, muscle cramps, spasms, or even weakness can occur, affecting both performance and comfort during workouts.
Enhancing energy production.
Magnesium is essential for producing cellular energy. It activates adenosine triphosphate, or ATP, which is the main source of energy for muscle cells. Adequate magnesium ensures that your body can quickly access energy during intense exercise, supporting endurance and delaying fatigue so you can train longer and recover more effectively.
Supporting recovery after workouts.
After exercising, magnesium aids recovery by reducing inflammation and promoting muscle repair. It helps decrease the buildup of lactic acid, which can cause muscle soreness. Magnesium also plays a role in protein synthesis, essential for rebuilding muscle fibers and supporting growth after strength training or other intense activities.
Magnesium sources for active lifestyles.
To maintain healthy magnesium levels, include magnesium-rich foods in your diet. Good sources include leafy green vegetables, nuts, seeds, whole grains, and legumes. Some athletes may consider magnesium supplements, but it's best to focus on food first. Staying hydrated and ensuring balanced nutrition helps keep muscles functioning smoothly and ready for your next workout.